In this tutorial, I will show you how to generate creative content using our agentic AI framework. Click the Get Started button to log in. Click the Creative option to access creative job features for generating bedtime stories and other content. Click the Create Creative Job button to start a new job. Click the Domain Selection dropdown to choose the type of creative content you want to generate, such as video, comics, bedtime story, mini podcast. For this tutorial, I will select Bedtime Story. Enter the title of the story. This does not affect the content of the story, but it is useful to find it in the future. Add the description. Use your imagination here. For example, create a story of a brave toddler named Max who saves the day. Click on the drop-down for sample story ideas shown in the next screen. These are some samples you can get the story ideas from. Click the Create Creative Job button to submit your story request and start the generation process. This may take a few minutes to generate. Feel free to navigate somewhere else in the app. Once the job is completed, notification will appear on the top right corner under Notifications. Click the View Output button to see the generated bedtime story once the creative job is complete. This will open a new browser tab where your child can listen to the story. Now let's create another creative job to create a story in another language. Mention different language in the description. For example, a story of a brave toddler girl who saves the day in Portuguese. Click on Create Creative Job button. Listen the story in Portuguese. Now let's try to create a comic book. Follow the process to create a new job. Make sure to select Comics Domain. Add title and description. In the description, you can specify how many pages do you want to include in the comics. Description can be: create 5-page comic featuring two friends with opposite personalities who get into a funny situation and work together. Once the job is finished, click the View Output button to see the generated mini comic book. You can explore other domain to create mini podcast, mini video clips from your images. All your data, creative content is private to you and not available to anyone except you. If you want to share securely with your friends and family, you can do so by clicking on the Share link next to the job name. Please note that Share functionality requires Pro subscription. Thank you for your interest in Zorph. We really appreciate it.